Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. Today we are going to do this bottle in Lipton style. Now let us discuss what all material is required to make the terracotta bottle. So you need a terracotta bottle of any size which is available at a potter. In case that's not available, don't worry, you can even reuse any old glass bottle or any other plastic thick bottle to make the same style of Lipton bottle painting. The second thing we need is a Fevicryl molded. So this is an epoxy compound which is available even in smaller packets. So you need approximately 2 smaller packets of molded. Then we need homemade gesso. We will need red color because I have painted my bottle in red. In case you want to paint it in any other color of acrylic shade, you can take any other acrylic color. We'll need a little bit of talcum powder to help us to deal with the molded. We need white glue or Fevicol, a thick brush. We need a clear lacquer or a clear lacquer spray. And we need a variety of mirrors. So a variety of mirrors in different sizes and shapes you can pick up. So let us quickly get started. We need any brand baby powder. We need Fevicol or white glue, white acrylic color or black acrylic color depending upon which color gesso you want to make. We need few drops of water and we need a container to secure your homemade gesso. And we need a bowl and a spoon. So let's get started. Now you need to keep into mind the ratio that we are going to take for the baby powder as well as for glue. So in this case, I'm going to take 2 spoons of baby powder. Measurement is important. Okay, take 2 spoons of baby powder. We will need to approximately 1 spoon of white glue. That's it. And because I want to make white gesso here, so I am taking acrylic color which is white, and I'll need the same quantity of white color as I have taken the glue. So here I am using acrylic color white. If you want to make black, you will have to take 1 spoon of black here. Okay. We will just put 2-3 drops of water and we will mix it really well. So do it very slowly. See, you will find that because baby powder is really fine, after some time everything will mix up into a very homogeneous mixture like this. Okay. Now take your container. You can store it. Now I have taken a terracotta bottle. I have mentioned the link of Amazon below. But you can also do the same thing, the same process using any glass bottle or any other bottle that you have at home. So the first thing will be that we are going to use our homemade gesso like we did in other products. So first we are going to use a thick white gesso and we are going to do a good coat on the bottle as well as the cap, so that if there are any grooves that are there or any uneven surface is completely smoothened before we do any paint or the glass work on the bottle. So let me just do a quick coat of gesso and show. See, now I have done gesso on this bottle and it has completely dried up, and I've divided the bottle into 3 parts. Part at the bottom, middle and top. Now in the bottom and the top part we are going to do red color, and the center we are going to leave it white, where we are going to do the various kind of Lipton work to make our bottle very attractive. So you can divide your bottle also in 3 parts. Here I have taken out this coral red acrylic color, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small thin brush and I'm going to simply apply 2 coats of my red color, and I'm not going to do any color in the center part. I'm going to leave it like that. So very carefully apply it on the top and the bottom part and do 2 coats of it. It should be even because in this red part we are not going to do any work, it is going to be plain color, and in the middle part we are going to do work, and that is why white color there we'll do later. So let me just do red color in the top and the bottom part and show you how it looks. Now the red color has completely dried up. Depending upon the crystals, the mirrors that you have available with you, place your mirrors on your bottle and just draw an outline at a distance from the mirror. See here, like this. So that on top of it we can do our molded work or clay work. You can even use air dry clay here. So I will just place my mirrors and just draw, then we will start using molded. Now molded comes in two parts. This comes as a raisin and a hardener. We have to mix it completely into a homogeneous mixture before we start using it. So first let me draw and then show. We are going to take out molded equal quantities as we have done for the projects till now. Take out equal quantities and mix them up completely. As I told you, they should be mixed up into one single mixture. Let me just mix and show you. If there is a color difference and if the quantity is not equal, in that case it is not going to dry up for you. So just make sure that your quantity is equal and it is mixed up completely. These two different colors are not visible when you are mixing. It looks like this, completely mixed. The colors have completely mixed up. So mix the colors very well. Then take little quantity of it and roll it. Just put it in between your hands. Then roll it into thin strips like this. And roll it into long thin strips because we will be putting them around, making different lines with this. The entire designing is going to be done using this, so you have to make very thin strips like this and try that all the strips are equal from all sides. If they are fat and thin from some sides, ultimately your bottle will not look so pretty. So see, this entire thing has come so thin. Now we are going to take any thick glue. You can take fabric glue or white glue, and we are going to start fixing it. How to do the flower, and then I'll do the lines on top. So just put your Fevicol or fabric glue. Take your thin strip like this. Cut it. And once you've cut it, just merge it together. Now make sure जो circle आप रखे हो, the circle mirror, that can get inside it, because when it dries we are going to stick the mirror here. Now we are going to make the flower. Like this, and just check that the diamond shape you want to put inside can fit it, like this. Now in this way I have finished this flower. We can't just turn the bottle completely, just turn it slightly because otherwise it will get pressed. So let us do another flower. Now just check with your mirror. Like this. Just pinch it here. So this way we've made the other flower also. Now only in this part we'll do the line, the top line. We are going to put a line of mirror on the top also. So first let us put the top line. Like this. Now we have to put a line depending upon the area which is required for your mirror. So I want to put this whole line around. So I'm going to put one more line on top. In the same way, let us do it at the bottom also. And we are going to put the same mirrors line at the bottom here also. So just leave similar space. Like this. Now let me finish it from the other side and show. Now the bottle molded has completely dried up. Now since the molded has dried up, what we are going to do is I'm going to do a white acrylic coat on this. So just take your white acrylic color and do a coat of white acrylic color on this part right till this line on both sides. And then we will start doing the mirror. So let me just do the white coat and show. Now see, I have painted white color on this and it has dried up. Now I'm going to do a coat of spray varnish. Let me show you the varnish to you. Now I'm going to use this acrylic lacquer to do a coat on this completely, including the cap. And then I'm going to show you how to do the mirror. See, now you can see how shiny it has become. Now it has dried up the cap as well as the bottle. Now let us stick the stones, the mirrors on this. So it is very important that you use any white glue because our base is white here. In all of these, we are going to use the diamond shape because we had drawn using the diamond shape. So just fix your diamond shape mirrors here. Now here we are going to stick the triangle shape mirrors. So these small triangle shaped mirrors I'm going to stick here. Now here on top I'm going to make a line of square mirrors. So let me show you. We are going to use it very closely. See here, like this. Fix them very close. In the same way, we are going to fix the mirrors here also. So let me fix these and show you. So now see, let me show you. In this way, you put all your mirrors on the bottle, and I have put some mirrors on the cap also. See how beautiful it is looking. Let me show you the front view also of the bottle. In this way, you can create your bottle as well.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.